shooting a short video on my phone. This one is for you. I would like your input to you who is skeptical to send healing to people who hasn't asked for it. So I was at this dinner tonight, just now, and a woman got low blood sugar and got dizzy and was feeling really bad. I don't know her. I don't feel comfortable asking her for her permission to send her energy, spiritual healing. And sitting there and seeing this woman in pain, I don't understand how I cannot do it. To me, that is cruel. Sitting here with an access that's windy, that we all have, but that I can tap into and open up for, and not do it. Would love your